What's up, folks? Science Morning Update, June 6th, excuse me. So we had our sideways rally. Low, look at that, 02. Opened at 04. So that 52.99 to 05, or really 5300 to 5305 is muy importante. So again, as long as we're above that, I think we shoot. 68, so new all-time high yesterday by 25 cents. One tick, and 72 hit on the overnight, which was my target. So now, I don't know. Are we going to have a consolidation day? Profit taking. Downside, 31 would be my first logical option because that cleans up singles. And then we head back into the 05 300. Below that, the big one's going to be your 40-42 level. So you could stop at a 50, but I think it's 40-42. Upside, I just shoot for 5,400 all-time highs. Just go for round numbers. We can look at that later at the pivot. 53.45. Not bad, actually. 22. Okay, 79, 57. These are all right. R1, 88. R2, 11. These are okay. I'd keep an eye on them today. I'm not enthusiastic about it. Here's your daily. So last time we poked above, right? So we've gone up. We poked and we came back down. We came up. We poked and came back up. But this wasn't really a poke and drop. So these were kind of leaving some wicks on that, right? So it looked like they extended just to see what was up there and came back down. This one was fairly solid and we've held all night. So as much as I think there should be profit taking, I still think that this could head higher. That all depends in 15 minutes also. ECB has got their rate hike deal or rate cut. They're expected to cut a quarter. So we'll see what that happens. That could drop the euro and then push up the dollar and put pressure on this, but we'll see. Your monthly pivot's at 09, 11. So really, I mean, if you really want to get into it, it's probably 5,300 to 5,311. But I still think it's 5,300, 5,305 is support. After that, it's we get back below that, and I think that we could see some selling pressure. Here's your weekly. There. So I don't know, 55.20 next. I don't know. NVIDIA is kind of pulling us all up here, so we'll have to see what happens. 50-day is not to the 52.29 or 52.19, excuse me. So that would be my first logical macro down day, and then the 100, which has staved off twice here. So it's really the 200 on, that we watch, but this is and on the macro, I always keep the 200 because that's really, 200 moving day average on the weekly is an incredible macro baseline. What else? So euro kind of in no man's land. I want to see either a 110 print or back down. I don't know. Probably a retest of the 08. So either 10 or 8. We're at just about 9 now. So interesting drop here in recovery. So that was quite the bounce back, and this kind of coincides with the bond rally as well. Here's your SPX, the blow off the top, up to 53.54. So I mean, it's 5,400 on that one next too. So this is why I keep SPX and ES, because sometimes it'll hit a round number here and it won't be a round number on ES, but it will be. Or we'll hit the ES round number and it won't be a round number on SPX, especially when you get into all-time highs. So that's why I keep a look at it. Also, I watch catch caps. We did close one yesterday, and then we created a new one, 97 to 91. So we'll watch that. 50 days down at 51.85. So I don't know. NVIDIA at 12.45 before the split. So that's actually higher overnight, which is hilarious. Apple holding in there. GameStop higher, look at that. Everything's good to go, but index largely unchanged. Dow down 18, NQ down or up 28, and ES up $1.50. So waiting news. I could also see a consolidation day if the ECB doesn't really shock anything this morning. Consolidation day into tomorrow's NFP. So we will see. No video tomorrow, but my levels should be good going into tomorrow, pending we just have a consolidation day today here up at the top, which will be decision to either move higher or move lower. In fact, that's probably what I will be watching for, pending no surprise from the ECB. Anyway, I will be in and out of the room. Stay safe.